Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by preparing the runtime, install MongoDB community and add its /bin to path so commands run anywhere. Once done, create /data/db and confirm you have right permission. That is where data lives. Open an elevated PowerShell window to avoid permission errors, then run mongodb path /data/db. This launches the database server process in foreground, showing logs in the console. Watch for the line that says waiting for connections on port 27017 before continuing. Once the server runs locally, decide whether to use a Windows service or keep manual control. If you want persistent startup, run Mongodb with the config file and install the service, then use netstart MongoDB to run it. For quick tests, run mongodb path /data/db bind IP 127.0.0.1 so only local connections are accepted. Make sure your config sets storage DB path correctly. To stop a manual instance, use Ctrl+C, or to stop a service, use net stop MongoDB. You finish by connecting with Mongosh. Run Mongosh or Mongo port 27017 to open the shell. Once connected, create an admin user and then enable authorization in the config file so future logins require credentials. To stop the server, gracefully use Ctrl+C for manual runs or net stop MongoDB for services. If something goes wrong, check the Mongodb log for errors. Confirm port 27017 is free, and make sure Windows Defender or folder permissions are not blocking /data/db. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.